welcome to my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you for joining me today. So today, guys, I am unbagging my new MCM bag, and this will be the first time I actually picked up a bag from MCM. I've been eyeing this bag for a minute, and I don't really know why I haven't bought it before, because I have other pieces in my collection that are way more expensive than this that I just don't know why I didn't pick it up before. But here we go. We're going to get into this unboxing shortly, but I've been eyeing this bag for a few years, and initially when I saw this bag, I seen it in like a magazine or online, and I was like, oh, it looks pretty cool. But then I saw it in person, and once I seen this bag in person, I was like, oh no, I need to get that bag at some point. So we're going to get right into this unbagging. So guys, if you're new to my channel, you enjoy different luxury unboxings and subscription unboxings, then this is the channel for you. If you enjoyed today's video, please feel free to like and share this video. So guys, I am pulling out for you. Dun, dun, dun. I finally picked up this Liz reverse monogram tote bag from MCM. This bag generally retails for about $6.95, and this is the medium size, and I like the fact that this bag is reversible. So for me who loves totes, this is a perfect piece for my little collection over here. I love tote bags. This is a kind of bag I feel like I could travel with and take through the airport and kind of abuse a bit, and it can take the beating. I picked this bag up from Zulily. If you're not familiar with Zulily's site, they are a online retailer. They sell different brands. They have different brands featured throughout the month, not just luxury, but just regular name brands, shoes, clothing, furniture, an assortment of different products that they offer. I picked this bag up because on their website it was on sale. So this bag generally retails for $6.95. I picked this up on Zulily for $4.49. And when I seen that price, I was like, all right, I have to get this bag now because the price is right. The price is right. I'm like, I have to get it. And I've always wanted it. So this is our medium Liz reverse shopper tote rather. And let me show you guys. It does come with its own little, almost like the Louis Vuitton bag, has its own little pochette almost. and I consider this to be a whole nother pocketbook and a pocketbook. And I love that idea. And look how big this thing is. Like literally. Like you have a whole nother pocketbook right here. You could just take this out if you're going somewhere and running an errand, throw your keys and your money inside and your cards and be gone. And this is like a whole nother pocketbook right here. I love that about this. And I think this is such a nice big size. It does have the little zipper tab here, and inside you can see the reverse print here as also featured inside of this bag. I thought that was really cool. And I'm going to go ahead and show you the inside. Let me take some of this stuffing out. A lot of stuffing. So guys, when you see the inside of the bag, you see the reverse print here, and I'm going to go ahead and flip it out. This bag doesn't have any necessary feet like gold hardware or anything. It's just like the regular leather tabs you see here. And I'm going to flip it around so I can show you what it looks like in reverse, which I think is cool. That you can pretty much flip this bag over, and this is sort of like a beautiful color on the inside. I feel like this is so summery looking on the inside. So now our bag has a completely different look. Isn't that so cool? I love that. So you can wear this bag either way, whichever way you prefer. But I love that the bag is reversible. I feel like it's a whole new bag. And it comes with this lovely little pouch inside to hold all your belongings. I feel like this is like a really great value. It feels like it's made a really good quality. I feel like this is the kind of stuff that can kind of take a beating. And that's what I liked about this bag the most. It reminds me of like my Louis Vuitton. I don't know if it's the same size. Let me get my Louis and see if it is the same size, because she's right here. So guys, I got my Louis just to do a comparison because I'm sort of curious. So here's my Louis and here's the Shopper 2. What a great, if you're looking for an alternative bag and you may not be able to afford a Neverfull with the Louis Vuitton, this may be a great alternative for you. So here we go. Here's our 2 bags. They're roughly, I think the Louis is a little bit wider at the top than this bag, but they look like they can hold the same things. And then for my little pochette holder in here, my Louis bag, look how big of a difference. You're getting so much more in here with this separate bag than I get in my little side little pochette that comes with my bag. So it's a big difference. If you're looking for something different or something in comparison, I would say this bag is definitely worth a shot. I am so hyped to have this. I can't wait to put this in rotation and take it out. So this is kind of what it looks like on me going around. I think this will be a great little addition to my collection here. And there are a few other pieces from this particular brand that I'm also interested in checking out. They have a lot of different bags that they have coming out. And I think it's worth checking out this particular MCM brand if you have not already. But I can't wait to use this, guys. This is like right on time. I think it'll be perfect for the winter as well. With running out, but this is so cool. I'm really hyped. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit me up in the comments and let me know. Have any of you guys picked this up? This bag does come in other colors. I've seen red, black, pink, and white. So if you guys have picked up some of the other colors, let me know how much you like the bag, and if you enjoy using this bag. And if you have a Louis and you're comparing them, let me know the difference. But I think this is a great alternative for somebody that may not want to spend as much as the Louis costs. And with all the price increases with all these luxury houses, I think having alternatives and having a contemporary luxury bag to kind of select different bags from is also a great option. So I just wanted to share my bag with you guys because, you know, I love bags, especially tote bags. But I just wanted to share my selections with you and hope that may sway you one way or the other if you're looking for a new brand to try out, to give MCM a try. But guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Do feel free to subscribe. It is free. It doesn't cost you anything. But it will keep you up to date with me on all my latest unboxings. But until next time, guys, have a wonderful day.